Okay, yeah. So from today we'll be starting types of regression. Okay, we have like types of regression, which like we don't have like much complexity in it. What we have actually is like depending on the variable, the inputs we have. Okay, yeah. So I'm like just giving an intro to it, and we'll be starting from tomorrow. So yeah, the first kind of regression is univariate regression. Okay, in univariate regression, what we have actually that we have only one feature, we have only one input. Okay, so we give to the function only one input. Only the number of input, the number of feature is only one. But in the multivariate, okay, so the all the thing we were reading, we were studying, and we were getting was about only one variable because I was taking only x and y in which x was independent and y was dependent because the value y is dependent on the basic of some feature. In the multivariate linear regression we have some multiple features. Okay, so let's suppose we have a house. Okay, so I'm like taking the notes we have actually here. So let's suppose, okay, so in multivariate, this is a multivariate and this is a univariate. Okay, so this is not my own notes, I have like got from somewhere else. This is in which we have some regression. So the first one is, okay, yes, okay, yeah. This is the univariate linear regression in which we have only one input feature. And the second one is the multivariate linear regression in which have some multiple features, which is like size of house, number of bedroom, number of fans, and etc. etc. So we have three features. So this is the multivariate regression, and this is like we have a concept of matrices, and in the matrices, like only it's a kind of a topic. This is what we have to learn, and this is not going to be the same way of gradient descent all those things because it has also gradient descent. The gradient descent we learned to before was for univariate linear regression in which we had only one feature, right? Yeah. So in the multivariate linear regression, we'll be starting for tomorrow. So I'm just giving you the intro. Like this is the kind of thing because I don't have that much of topics. So what I want to give you is like much information. Yeah, we'll be seeing you the next.